On this video I thought I'd just record a quick video to show an advanced setup for production of gasoline. I have here a power plant, a refinery, another power plant, another refinery, and then behind those I have 3 water pumps, and I've also got my freight pier. If you're not next to the water, you don't need the freight pier there. It could be just a truck delivery, express depot or whatever. But let's have a look through at the details here. So the power plant on itself requires 2 crude oil, 1 water drum. But actually I've switched that off because what it does, once it's actually done its first production, it provides passive energy, and that's what I want for this refinery here. This is refining gasoline, and that requires 6 passive energy, or not passive energy, it requires 6 energy. But rather than having turbines or solar panels, if you just have a refinery power plant next to it, then that will provide passive energy. So there we go, we need 6 energy. But a power plant itself will give 3 energy, but because I've got one either side of this refinery, that means this refinery is getting its 6 energy. It also needs 2 water to produce gasoline. So again, the 2 water are coming, well, it's actually receiving 3 water because we've got 3 pumps here. We could technically, I suspect, do away with 1 water pump there because that power plant would be supplied by that water. That power plant would also be supplied by that water. That refinery would be supplied by both of those waters. And that refinery, which is refining petroleum, is supplied by that water. I think that is correct, but that essentially 7 or 8 squares there. I tend to tuck it right in the corner of my town because they're very polluting, cast a big shadow. So I put them right in the corner. But that's the setup I use there. The petroleum refinery, every 30 seconds that makes a petroleum. So you need a good supply of crude oil. So I've actually got 6 crude oil pumps here. So these are making crude oil every 3 minutes. And so when you've got 6, that means you're getting a crude oil every 30 seconds. So every 30 seconds, so every minute, that's providing enough. I could probably do with a little bit more crude oil, to be honest, because that's probably not quite, although on my inventory it shows it's making it fast enough. And I think I did thoroughly test this, that 6 oil pumps were enough. And you want your fuel storage to be close enough that the refinery chemical engineer doesn't need to be walking long distance to go and collect that crude oil. But that's pretty much the setup I've got on it. It works very sweet, and I hope you found that useful. Do subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. If you're interested in learning how to put your money to work for you, both through crypto gaming, NFTs and low-cost investments, that's what my channel is all about. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me any questions in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.